So today I'm making some seitan sausages. So what I have in here is garlic powder, Cajun spice, onion powder, and I'll link the recipe below that I'm using. This is the Vital Wheat gluten. And this is the chickpea flour that I mixed in the blender. I'm going to put a tad bit of pepper sauce. This is just canola oil. Okay, then a 1/4 cup of oil or water. Okay, so the recipe says it should mix into a firm ball. And maybe I shouldn't have put that last bit of water in it. I mean, it's a ball, but it's not a firm ball. So maybe I need more flour. I mean, I guess it's I'll see how this goes. So I'll try it like this time. It's moist, but it's not sticky. Okay, so I think I want it like, so this is like a single serving size for the recipe, so about the size of a hot dog, like half of a breakfast sausage. So let's see. Okay, so then it says to steam for 45 minutes. So this is how the steamer looks. It's just a pot with a steamer basket. I am going to pull it out. It's done. I know it was in there for at least 40 minutes. I didn't start timing till maybe a few minutes later. So let's see. It does have a meaty texture. I would do the seasoning differently, I think. I'm not sure what the purpose of the chickpea flour is for. It's not terrible. And the texture is right. Like this could probably be, this is like a chicken nugget texture. It just needs more flavor, like to be marinated or some sauce. Or maybe that's just me. It's kind of like I could taste the spice too. So it has flavor in there. It's just like, I don't know, maybe it's like not something that I've tasted before, so I don't have anything to compare it with, but I definitely taste the Cajun seasoning. So it does take flavor good, because I can taste the Cajun seasoning. I don't taste anything like off-putting or anything strange. Like it itself doesn't have a flavor. The vital wheat gluten chickpea normally tastes on whatever flavor you give it, so I don't even really taste the chickpea. What I taste is the Cajun seasoning. But I feel like it just needs another level of something.